Our energy costs have shot up, but output hasn't changed. What is going on? Could it be a pressure drop issue? Have you checked the system for pressure drops lately?
Let's take a look.
Over time, filters clog and pipes corrode, creating resistance in your air system. Leaks, on the other hand, cause direct air loss. As pressure drops increase and air demand rises, the compressor works harder to maintain the set pressure, leading to higher energy consumption, lower efficiency, and increased operating costs.
Our energy costs are rising. We need to get this checked.
Absolutely. We will arrange for an ELGi service engineer to assess your system and provide suggestions for improvements.
Simple steps, such as proper pipe sizing, optimized layout, and timely maintenance, reduce resistance, lower pressure drop, and save energy. Reduced pressure drop results in higher energy efficiency, improved system health, and increased uptime. Talk to ELGi. We will help reduce system pressure and your energy costs.